Namaskara. In the last two activities, you learned about the past tense and past continuous tense. So in this video, we will be learning the present tense, how to frame the questions in the present tense. As you can see in the video, here the sentence is, I am booking the tickets. Naan tickets book ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. If you want to say, are you booking the tickets? Here, do not use naan, it's a neen, it's a you, okay? Neen tickets book ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ. Please very carefully observe the last word. I have split that word for you. Observe ಮಾಡಿ and use this verbs carefully with like a book ಮಾಡು, order ಮಾಡು, plan ಮಾಡು, cancel ಮಾಡು, verify ಮಾಡು, check ಮಾಡು, think ಮಾಡು, like this. Different verbs. Plan this activity and do work on this activity. Doubt idre do let me know. Here you have for I, we and for male, female, with respect, plural and for the animals also. I've given the tables check ಮಾಡಿ. I'm not going to explain detailedly because I want you to work on that one and come up with the doubts if you have any. So plan ಮಾಡಿ, work ಮಾಡಿ, doubt idre comment ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you. And sorry for the cat disturbing noise in the background. Thank you.
From Yashaswikannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself and all the ebooks it will be. You have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.